Y'all, $25 where? Like, what? Look at these waves. Look at this lace. Okay, Outre, I see you. $25. Like, can we just put that in big lighting? Like, $25 for this look? This is looking like a human hair dupe.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you and made no flow. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this gorgeous, cheap slay that is on my head. I'm wearing this one in the style Outre Lilia and the color number 1B. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I got it to look like this, just stay tuned for this video.
When I grow like all they grow, and time pass, and thoughts are fine. They will rise all the light, down to close. When I grow like all they grow, and time pass, and thoughts are fine. They will rise all the light, down to close. When I grow like all they grow, and time pass, and thoughts are fine. They will rise all the light, down to close. When I grow like all they grow, and time pass, and thoughts are fine. They will rise all the light, down to close. When I grow like all they grow, and time pass, and thoughts are fine. They will rise all the light, down to close. When I grow like all they grow, and time pass.
Okay guys, so with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction, your 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked, HD lace, as well as with baby hairs. It is on the side of small and medium head friendly, definitely not big head friendly, so note that for sure. I am wearing this one with a wig grip band, and I feel like if you do have a medium sized head and you take the wig grip band off, you definitely will be good with this one. But I'm wearing it with it, and it is not fitting my head super tight, but it was kind of a squeeze to get it on there. But I'm still pretty happy with the end result of it. But I do feel like if you have a larger size head, this one may be a bit of a squeeze for you. So the density on this unit is really nice. I want to say it's about 150%, which I am loving. It's like the perfect amount of density. These curls are everything. The length of it comes just below my boob, so I'm absolutely all here for the look as a whole. The texture on it is between a light silky and a light yaki. I definitely did get some tangling and shedding with this unit though, so beware. But honey, for $25, like, I ain't even mad at it though. And like, let me just come in so you could see this HD lace situation that's going on here, because I am absolutely living for it. Outre, you are killing it once again. Like, I am loving this hairline, you guys. Outre is doing it up, and for $25, how can you go wrong? Like, seriously, you guys. Also, this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so keep that in mind. Also, one of the things I really did like about this unit is the fact that it went on my head pretty flat and I didn't feel the need to actually add any heat, which I feel like is wonderful. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what this bad boy is looking like. So the pros on this unit, number one, $25. Another pro was the lace for sure. It's HD lace. It was super easy to get it to blend, and laying the baby hairs down was no issue at all. So I am absolutely living for that. Another pro was that the fact that I didn't need to add heat to it. That was wonderful. Another pro with it, I want to say, is definitely the density. You'd think for $25 it probably would skimp with the density of the unit, but they definitely did not. Also, another pro is this wave pattern. Like, can we just get into this wave pattern? Yes, I honestly feel like there's more pros than cons. My only one con with this unit would probably be the cap size being a little bit small. So if you do have a head that's on the larger size, this one may not be for you. But if you do have a head that's smaller or medium size, I definitely feel like this is one that you could get away with it. And it's worth making it work a little bit for $25. Let me just say that again. That's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.